Good morning students. Today we are going to learn equivalent ratios. We can get equivalent ratios by multiplying or dividing the numerator and the denominator by a common number. Let us consider one example. The given are three rectangles A, B, C. Consider first one. The ratio of breadth to a length of a rectangle A is breadth is 1 centimeter and length is 2 centimeter. So it is in the ratio format of 1:2. And second one, B, length and breadth is 2:4. It is in the simplest form 1:2. And consider third one, C is length and breadth is 4 centimeter and 8 centimeter. It is in the simplest form is 1:2. Therefore, the ratios 1:2, 2:4 and 4:8 are equivalent. It is said to be equivalent ratios. Now exercise 3.2, fill in the blanks of the given equivalent ratios. You have to find the missing term here. The given question is 3:5 is equal to 9:2. You have to find the missing one. So let us consider the missing number. Let the missing number be x. So the given question change into 3:5 is equal to 9:x. The second step, you have to change ratios in fractional form. That is 3:5 is changed into 3/5 is equal to 9:x is changed into 9/x. And then you have to cross multiply the two fraction. 3 into x, 3x is equal to 5 into 9. Variable is also always in the left hand side, and 5 into 9 divided by 3. 1 time, 9 3 times, 5 into 3, 15. Therefore, the missing term x value is 15. And second question, 4:5 is equal to dash is to 10. The same only, let the missing term be x. 4:5 is equal to x is to 10. You have to find the x value here. Therefore, 4:5 you have to change into fractional form. 4/5 is equal to x by 10. Next step, you have to cross multiply the two fraction. 4 into 10 is equal to 5 into x. Next step, 4 into 10 divided by 5 is equal to x. Cancel into 5 table 1 time and 10 2 times. 4 into 2, 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. The missing value is 8. The next sum is, give the two equivalent ratios for each of the following. First question is 3:2 and second one is 1:6. The first sum, the given question is 3:2. First step, you have to change into fractional form. 3:2 is equal to 3/2. And then you have to multiply in smallest number first. 2/2. In numerator and denominator, you have to multiply in same number only. 2/2. And then you have to multiply this fraction, 2 fraction. 3 into 2, 6 divided by 2 into 2, 4. Next one, 3/2. Given question, you have to multiply next number 3. 3/3, same number. 3 into 3, 9 divided by 2 into 3, 6. In this one, the ratio format is 6/4. The ratio format is 6:4. And 9/6, the ratio format is 9:6. These are the answer of the given question. Therefore, the two ratios are 6:4 and 9:6. Second question, one is to 6. First step, 1:6 is equal to 1/6. You have to change into fractional form. 1/6. First, you have to multiply the smaller number, that is 2/2. 1 into 2, 2. 6 2s are 12. And second, 1/6 into 3/3. 1 into 3, 3. 6 3s are 18. So 2 by 12 is ratio format is 2 is to 12 and 3 by 18, 3 is to 18. Therefore the two equivalent ratios are 2 is to 12 and 3 is to 18. Here also you have to change two equivalent. Two equivalent ratios are 6 is to 4 and 9 is to 6. And this one the answer is 2 is to 12 and 3 is to 18. If the question change into find the three equivalent ratios means you have to multiply the again one number 4 by 4. That is 1 by 6 into 4 by 4 is equal to the 4 by 6 into 4 24. Thank you.